What a beautiful view here of their infinity pool. And now you can see the sunset bar over there. Now it's an happy hour, so the drinks are buy one take one. They said draft beers and some smoothies. So right now the seaside is almost ready, so I think in the near future everybody can swim here now. Alright, this is now the beach side, and actually it's almost ready. Yes, look at that beautiful sunset. Oh my god, OMG. Yes, and here is the Dusit Thani with a beautiful sky today, and it's completely beautiful. Oh my god. Seaside of Dusit Thani. Right now it's almost ready, but not completely done yet. They still have many things to do, and here is still closed. You cannot still access to the seaside, but you can take a look. Yeah, all right, it's almost done, and one day it will be ready. Yes, and this one, I don't know what to call this one, but really this is nice, and there's a beautiful sunset here that you can actually watch. And if there's a moon, you can also come here and just watch, and the weather is super good. It's not sticky, you know, it's just cool wind. I'm so loving it. Oh no, look at that. So beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Yep. And on the other side is the Arthira, the building alone that you can see from the Punta Inganyo on the tip of the island. This one. Yep. This is the beach side, and look at the beautiful sunset over there. Wow, so beautiful. And here are full of rocks. There is a rainforest pool here. Let's check it out. Oh, beautiful. It's nice. Look at that. It's a private pool. Private pool is here. They have the children's play area here, and it's really huge. It's really big. Here, inside here. Sunset Hot Sports Bar is here. This is the view from the Sunset Bar. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. Now it's pink. Crazy. Here is the bar. I have no words to explain how beautiful the view here at the Sunset Bar. Look at the pink, all the colors. Oh my god, it's really so beautiful here. Amazing, 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 amazing. Amazing. What is that for me and help me up so that it needed me. It's so amazing, the view. And you can sit here and watch the sunset.
The only time you come around at all is to see how far you can make me fall. The only time you come around at all.
This is the pool, the infinity pool at night. Pizza at Dusit Thani Sunset Bar. Happy hour. Cheers. Okay, let's take it now and see how good it is. Wow. It's good. It's cheesy.